Hi, I warmly welcome you all from Fxsniffer.com, a reliable forex signaling and portfolio management site. In this video, we are unleashing our daily trading outlook of GBPUSD. Firstly, let's putting major fundamental in perspective. The outbreak of coronavirus is deepening. The containment window of this deadly virus is narrowing according to WHO, which further staggering the outlook of the already dismal world economy. Therefore, we are in the view that the dollar, yen, and gold could get further advantages from this scenario as a safe haven. Therefore, we are in view of selling everything else. So our view for the above-mentioned pair is as under, sell below 1.2990 for the target of 1.2903, 1.2863 zone. For the stop loss, 1.3031 if happen could trigger further surging towards 1.3030, 1.3098 zone. That's all for the time being. If you think the video is working, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any video attempt for reviewing the outlook of different assets class. Please share, like and add up your worthy comments below. Even if negative, you'd be highly welcomed. Have a nice trading.